Hey, what's going on everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today's video is all about the Samsung Galaxy Buds Live. Now, this video is going to be something a little bit different than what I usually do here on the channel. Now, it's not going to be a full review for the Galaxy Buds Live. That will be coming soon, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on that video. But today I want to do something a little bit different based off of some questions that I've been getting about this. Well, one very main question that I have been getting about these is, are they actually good for working out? Can you use them while exercising, or are they gonna fall out of your ears? So today we're gonna be doing a little workout test with these to see if they'll actually stay in my ears with pretty much any type of workout, whether I'm doing push-ups, sit-ups, maybe some jumping jacks, burpees, maybe a slow jog or a fast run, who knows? So we're gonna put these to the test to see just how well they stay in my ears. And I can tell you right now, through my experience with these so far, I haven't had any problem with them, and they actually fit really comfortable. And it's kind of weird to explain because while they do fit nice and comfortable, they don't bother me at all. It almost feels like they want to fall out of my ears. I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. Like I said, they are comfortable, but at the same time, it almost feels like they want to fall out of my ears. Like right now, as you can see, I'm shaking my head back and forth, and they're not going to fall out. And that's because they do have these little wingtips right here that go kind of push up into your ear, and they kind of help them stay nice and secure into your ear. So they're not going to fall out. Well, it's supposed to help prevent them from falling out. So like I said, they are comfortable, but they kind of have that feeling that makes you feel uncomfortable because you don't want them to fall out. But like I said, that's exactly why we're doing this test, so I can show you guys just how good they stay in your ears. And the reason they have that kind of feeling like they want to fall out is because they don't have those earbud tips like the Galaxy Buds Plus do. With the Galaxy Buds Plus, you have that nice seal inside of your ear that makes them feel more secure, like they're not going to fall out, of course added with those wing tips that they provide as well. So let's go ahead and get this workout test started to see just how well these stay in your ears. You ready? Let's go. We'll start off with the slow jog here. Not doing too bad, still staying in the ears. All right, I'm gonna speed it up a little bit. Here I go. Woo! Haven't fallen out yet, they're still doing good. Let's try some jumping jacks. Ready? Woo! Still doing good. What about some burpees? Let's try some burpees. You ready? Still doing good. What about just running in place? Running in place, still doing good. What if I jump up on this table right here? Okay, what else? Did I just do some push-ups? Let me just do some push-ups. Something easy, ready? As you can see, just with these little bit of workouts that I've done so far, they've done pretty good. They haven't fallen out of my ears yet. I can shake my head back and forth, and they're not going to fall out. No matter how much I shake my head. Let's go ahead and try out a couple more workouts. Woo! Still good with some handstand push-ups. What else can we do? Let's try out some pull-ups. All right, here we go, some pull-ups. Woo! They don't want to fall out. I don't know what else to do. They're not falling out. We've jogged, we've ran, I did push-ups, some burpees, jumped up on the table, did some upside down push-ups, did some pull-ups. They just don't want to fall out. I've shook my head back and forth like crazy. So as you can see, if you've been thinking if these were going to be good or not for exercising, well, there's your answer. Now, like I said, everybody's ears are different. Not everybody's ears are the same. These are based off of my little ears right here. As you can see, I don't have the biggest ears, but they also come with an extra ear tip, an extra wing right here. So that also is going to help keep it nice and secure in your ear. But so far, my experience has been great with these when it comes to exercising. Now, if you're going to ask me about the sound so far, my impressions about these when it comes to sound, I think they actually sound pretty good. And like I said earlier, they're not gonna seal your ear really good like the Galaxy Buds Plus do, because these were meant to give you that live effect of everything around you. I mean, these don't even have that ambient mode that the Galaxy Buds Plus have, because you're getting that natural ambient mode, basically, I guess, if that's what you want to call it. But when it comes to sound so far, I am really liking the sound of these. But like I said, I'll cover that more in my full review for the Galaxy Buds Live. But for now, you guys let me know what you think about this video. Like I said, just trying something a little bit different here to answer a big question that I have been getting about these earbuds right here. If they're good enough or not to exercise. Well, I hope this video answered your question. If you did like it, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I'm about to head home and take a nice cold shower. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.